Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to remove the blank rows or columns all at once in Microsoft Excel for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Mac operating system or Linux operating system on your respective computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Excel software and say I have one data, right? So you can see here I have one data. So you can clearly see here I have a blank rows after each data, right? So here I'm gonna show you two methods how you can remove such blank rows or columns all at once. So the first method which I'm going to show you is automatic method. So for this, what you need to do is just select all the numbers or the datas, and now click on this home tab, and after that on the right side you can see one option, find and select. Just click on it, and now you will see here go to special option, just click on it, and here just select this blanks and click on OK. Now it will auto select all the blank rows or columns all at once, and now you can see on the above delete option, just click on it and say I want to delete the rows. Firstly, you can delete the columns if you have a blank columns. Right now I'll delete the rows. So right now I have a rows in my case, so just select this, delete sheet rows. Now you can see all the blank rows has been removed successfully. So you can see here. So this is the first method using an automatic selection method. Now if you want to manually remove all those blank rows or columns, then what you can do is say just firstly select the first blank rows or columns, and now on your computer keyboard just press and hold Ctrl key, and with the left mouse click just select all the blank rows or columns, and after that just right click on it, and you will see here delete option, just click on it, and now you can see here option enter row or enter column. Right now in my case it's a row, so I'll just select this enter row and click on OK. Now you can see all the blank rows or columns has been deleted all at once. So using these two methods, using our automatic as well as a manual method, you can easily remove the blank rows or columns all at once in Microsoft Excel very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.